The VeChain blockchain is a network that is designed to allow people and companies to make use of decentralized apps to deliver better services and gain an understanding of their own products. The VeChain platform operates with two distinct tokens. The VeChain Token, or VET, is one of two native cryptos. The other one is VechainThor, but it is the VET cryptocurrency that is the best known. Stick around to know more about it. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Market, where you can learn the basics of the crypto easily. Today, I'm going to explain what VeChain and VechainThor are and how you can earn passive income with VeChain. I'll also talk about a different consensus algorithm used by VeChain and a traditional and new way to stake VeChain. Before starting, I must say that by subscribing to our channel, you can have access to high quality content and learn what you need to get started. Let's dive in. VeChain, or VET, is the native token operating on the VechainThor, a public layer 1 blockchain. VET was formerly launched as VEN, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. If you want to get acquainted with the specific features of Ethereum and the facilities available on it, you can watch my previous videos about Ethereum. Later in 2018, VEN was swapped onto the VechainThor blockchain. This token can transfer value across the blockchain and trigger smart contracts. It is also how users pay for transactions on DApps that function on the VeChain blockchain. To validate transactions, VET supply chain management blockchain uses a different consensus algorithm. The most popular consensus algorithms are proof of work, first used by Bitcoin, and proof of stake, which is more efficient. VeChain uses proof of authority. A fixed number of known validators called authority masternodes are responsible for confirming transactions. Any party who wants to be an authority masternode must disclose their identity, go through a Know Your Customer procedure, and complete any other minimum requirements set by the VeChain Foundation. VeTHO is a token used as energy that powers the smart contracts functionality within the network. VeTHO token, or energy token, powers transactions on VeChain where it is used as gas. When data is added to the blockchain through data or financial transactions, it needs units of computational power. The VeTHO token covers the computational gas costs for all transactions in the blockchain. There are different tokens that reside on blockchains, include reward tokens, currency tokens, utility tokens, security tokens, and asset tokens. You will catch more information about it by watching my previous videos. You can make passive income with VeChain through crypto staking, although reward rates are on the low side compared to other cryptocurrencies. The traditional way to stake VeChain is through one of the blockchain wallets it offers: Sync for desktop advanced users and VechainThor mobile wallet for all users. All you need to do is transfer your VET tokens to either wallet. Once you do, you'll start earning VeTHO automatically. Although reward rates are low for the casual investor, VeChain offers several tiers of rewards. If you have enough VET token to identify your VeChain wallet as an economic node, you can earn additional rewards. Another option is to stake VeChain through a crypto exchange. Crypto.com and Binance.us both support VeChain staking. Unlike when you stake through a wallet, these exchanges pay you in VET tokens, not VeTHO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch the other videos to know more.